Hey, my dear friends, you are watching English with Mansur, the place to build your English confidence. So, this is the day 7 of English speaking practice in my village, and that's why I have bathed myself just before sometimes. After that, I got ready and I have come here for recording this video. Okay, so you are getting to see I am strolling along this very narrow path, and behind me you are getting to see the one pond which has almost dried due to deficiency of rain, because this is a winter season, and in this season the rain comes very rarely. Okay, so and at the same time I am enjoying this evening. As you are going to see, the mustard plants are growing so nicely, and its color is yellow, and that is really so mind-blowing. And birds are chirping, and just look at there, the sun is setting right now, and these are the things which I am enjoying right now. And at the same time I am practicing my English in front of camera, as well as I am helping you learning this beautiful language in very easy and enjoyable way. Okay, so that's all for today's video, and I will say learn this beautiful language in very simple and enjoyable way, and keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.